how Warren Buffett made his first million and what you can learn from it. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how Warren Buffett made his first $1 million, long before he became one of the richest people on earth. We're breaking down the mindset, habits, and moves he made early in his life so that you can apply the same principles no matter where you're starting from. But first, let's clear something up. These days, Warren Buffett is managing hundreds of billions through Berkshire Hathaway. His every move is tracked, analyzed, and even copied. But back when he was just starting out, Buffett wasn't playing at that level. He wasn't a stock market wizard yet. He was just a kid with a paper route and an obsession with numbers. And it's that version of Buffett, the young, hungry, practical investor, that we're going to focus on today, the early hustler. At just 6 years old, Warren Buffett bought a six-pack of Coca-Cola for 25 cents and sold each bottle for a nickel. Profit? 5 cents. He didn't see it as pocket change. He saw it as a system. He understood that if he could buy low and sell consistently, the numbers would stack up. By age 11, he bought his first stock, 3 shares of City Service. It went down. He panicked. He waited. It went up a little. He sold for a small gain. Then it skyrocketed. That was one of his first big lessons. Be patient and think long-term. The pattern seeker. Buffett wasn't just working hard. He was constantly learning. As a teenager, he read every investing book in the Omaha Public Library. Literally, every single one. And he didn't just read them, he studied them. One book that changed everything? The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It taught him about value investing, buying great companies at a discount. That book became his blueprint. But it wasn't just theory. Buffett had already been experimenting with small businesses, pinball machines, horse racing tip sheets, and selling chewing gum door to door. Every move was a test. Every dollar was a data point. The capital compounder. By the time he graduated high school, Warren Buffett had saved up over $9,000. That's over $100,000 in today's money. How? He reinvested constantly. Whether it was money from his paper route or profits from selling used golf balls, Buffett didn't spend it. He compounded it. That became the core of his strategy. Never interrupt compounding unnecessarily. His first million. Buffett didn't strike gold with one stock or a flashy IPO. His first million came through years of disciplined investing and smart business deals. In his early 20s, he started a series of small partnerships with friends and family. He would invest their money alongside his own and take a small cut of the profits. This wasn't about hype, it was about principles. Buy businesses that are undervalued. Stick to what you understand. Avoid debt. Let the returns snowball over time. By the time he was 30, Buffett had hit his first $1 million. And remember, this was the 1950s. $1 million back then is equivalent to about $12 million today. So how did he do it? He didn't chase fads. He didn't time the market. And he definitely didn't follow the crowd. He followed a simple path: discipline, patience, and long-term thinking. 3 takeaways you can use today. If you're serious about building wealth, here are 3 lessons straight from young Buffett's playbook. Start early, but think even earlier. Buffett wasn't just investing at 11, he was planning at 7. Time is your greatest advantage. Use it. Invest in what you understand. If you can't explain how something makes money, you probably shouldn't invest in it. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buffett's not frugal because he's cheap. He's frugal because he understands the power of opportunity cost. Every dollar spent today is a dollar that could have compounded for decades. Before he was a billionaire, Warren Buffett was just a kid with hustle, curiosity, and an unusual obsession with money. Not to spend it, but to grow it. Story his proves that you don't need luck, connections, or a high income to build wealth. What you do need is clarity, patience, and an unshakable commitment to long-term thinking. This is Wealth Hive, bringing you real stories with real strategies to build wealth the smart way. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to learn from him. Thanks for watching, and please smash that like button and subscribe.